Hi everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to change your Roblox background or theme. First, you need to go to Roblox website, and as you can see here, the theme is just plain black. So the question is, how are we going to change this theme or background? So you just have to open a new tab here and go to Google Chrome Web Store. Here it is. Once it appears, all you have to do is to click this one. Click this one and it will take you directly to the site where you can see lots of applications and where you can make or create a theme for any website, including Roblox. So all you have to do is to scroll down and pick at least one application. Let's just say this one, stylish custom themes for any website. Add extension and it will take you directly to the site. All you have to do is to click disagree, and then after that, kind of click skip here. Now you can choose a perfect theme and background for your Roblox. Example this one. Click install style and then click check it out. So here's your new theme. If you find this video helpful and informative, make sure to subscribe for more. See you in the next video.